Welcome to Geektonight. The topic today I'm going to discuss is about international human resource management. I'm Vishal, one of the content writers at Geektonight, presenting you today. What is international human resource management? International businesses are required to recruit, train, motivate, nurture, and retain apart from effectively utilizing their services at all levels of functioning, be it corporate office, at the foreign production unit plants. Therefore, the process of procuring, allocating, and effectively utilizing human resource in international business is called international human resource management. Coming to approaches of IHRM, that is International Human Resource Management. 1. Ethnocentric approach. 2. Polycentric approach. 3. Regionocentric approach. And 4. Geocentric approach. Coming to ethnocentric approach. In ethnocentric approach, management believes that the approach of the parent company in managing things is the tried and tested practice, and it should be followed in all units of organization in different countries. Also, this leads to the adaptation of all system procedures policies of the parent company from the parent country in all other centers of activities. This may also lead to conflicts in certain circumstances when company operates in different countries. The expectations and norms are vary from country to country. Next comes polycentric approach. In polycentric approach or philosophy, MNCs realize the importance of the host country and its governing laws. Further, they are aware that the national culture plays an important role in all aspects of management. Hence, it is prudent to follow the market needs of the host country and frame strategy which can give the best results. Also, to implement such a strategy, they need local knowledge and in depth understanding of the way of working in that country. They have to align their management style to suit the local culture and aspirations of the people in that country. Next comes the topic regionocentric approach. In regionocentric approach, MNCs believe that though there is a difference in various aspects of culture from country to country, yet there are similarities in particular region. For example, there may be difference in cultures of India, Sri Lanka, Japan, yet there are a lot of similarities. Hence, it may be appropriate that one region is managed by one regional office. Thus, MNCs set up regional offices to manage entire region consistent of all countries in this region. They may classify regions according to their business and presence in particular regions. Some companies may have an Asia as a region, while some other MNC may have the Asia Pacific as one region. There are various MNCs who now prefer to have regional office to Asia Pacific region. After region-centric approach, here comes geocentric approach. Geocentric approach management believes in using the best strength wherever it is available within the organization without any consideration of geographical region or country. Such organizations are very matured in their management structure, process, and systems. These organizations create a culture which has right proportion of flexibility as well as defining culture and boundaries which make them unique and highly effective. The decision making process in such organizations give weightage to local issues and concerns without deviating from the core value system of the organization. After geocentric approach, we want to discuss about dimensions of IHRM. In dimensions of IHRM, HR activities for recruitment, selection, training, development, compensation, performance management, employee relations, etc. There are types of employees and then there are types of countries. Types of countries: 1 is parent country nationals, 2 is host country nationals, and 3 third country nationals. The first one, in parent country nationals, employees from the parent headquarters assigned to the venture, usually in the upper management positions. In the second one, host country nationals, employees directly recruited and employed by the venture and are nationals of the host country. Generally, these employees are employed at a lower levels of gradual. These employees are given responsibilities and senior management levels. The third country nationals, employees who are nationals of neither the parent country nor the host country. After the dimensions of IHRM, we would like to discuss about challenges in IHRM. There are quite a few challenges in IHRM as follows: variations in country environment, perception of HR, attitudes and action of headquarters towards HR, and resistance to change and balance. The very first one, variation in country environment, is political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and social factors of countries varies, and HR practice which works in one country might not work in the same manner in another country. Fluctuations in currency, government policies and regulations, compensation, expectations, etc., are just a few examples of the local variations global HR professional face. The next one, perception of HR. The perceived value of HR is another global challenge in HRM. In one country, HR in a company might be viewed as a true business partner, working with high level managers on critical assignments. In another country, within the same company, the same HR might be viewed as a transactional personal department that handles administrative work. And next comes attitudes and actions of headquarters towards HR. The perception sent from the HRs in headquarters towards HR also helps determine how HR is viewed locally. The position of the corporate chief HR officer also sends a strong signal to local units on the importance of HR function. Next, resistance to change. The rate of change is enormous in multinational companies. Hence, a major challenge facing global HR practitioners is that different locations have their own way of doing things and resist to change. And the final one, balance. International companies must strive to achieve the appropriate balance between global and local HR systems and practices. It is such firms that put into application that the best practices and create a benchmark for others to follow. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Vishal, one of the content writers at Geektonight. Signing off. Do subscribe to our channel and look into the description for more news. Thank you so much.